My name is Shawnna Staples, and I've been with BIG for almost 11 years. I'm a project manager for the development side of the professional services team. I didn't intend to be a project manager. I don't even know that that was my intent. I didn't know it was something I would even enjoy until I got to work with BIG and the team members and understood the need for management behind those IT projects in order to give our clients trust in what we can do for them. I very much love my job. I love the people I work with. I love my clients. Having that trust and those relationships, it's very fulfilling. BIG continues to invest in my personal development. I feel very lucky to be somebody who gets to go on business trips for conferences. I've always felt like that's been a really important part of shaking those hands, looking people in the eye, letting them know that I'm not just another person behind a computer and I do actually care what we're doing together. As a single mom, when I did first start with BIG, flexibility was a very important part of what I needed in order to be successful at any company. They've always come through with whatever need I've gone to them, whether it's flexibility for family issues or situations. BIG's culture is 10 out of 10. We are a mini family. Every single person that on my team is somebody that I know I can count on professionally, but also on a personal level.